Hey guys, it's Kiki. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about money, okay? Cha-ching, that cash, okay? We're running to the bank at the end of this video. But in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 10 ways that you can make money online from your bed, from your couch. I will do a disclaimer, none of these ways or get rich quick schemes. Definitely all of these methods to make money require some time and some effort, but I think we all have a little bit of time on our hands. The more time that you put into these, the more money you will see in return. Most of these things I've actually done myself, so I can speak to them. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. We're on the road to 10K, okay? We're out here. Help a sister out. Let's get into the ways to make money. So the first way that you can earn money online is by completing online surveys. There are a ton of websites out there where you can basically fill out different surveys. They're doing research studies. In exchange for filling out the survey, pay you cash. So the website that I have used and the website that I use the most is Swagbucks. Like I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It definitely takes work, and some of the surveys are pretty long. Like a survey could take like an hour and you'll make like $5 or something. But at the end of the day, like that money adds up. And I think that's something you can do that really does not take a lot of brain power. And you can do that while you're watching TV. Like you can literally be on your couch, like most of us already are, watching Netflix and doing the surveys while you're watching Netflix. And if you keep doing that over time and you're putting a lot of time in it, you will see some return. Also with Swagbucks, they allow you to get your money in different forms. So you can either get your money through PayPal or they'll give you a gift card. And they have gift cards for like every single website. If you want the cash and you need the cash, then they'll just send you the money through PayPal. There's a ton of ways to make money on this website. They have games. I was playing the games the other day. If you watch videos, you can get paid for watching some of their videos. They have daily polls. There's a ton of way to get swag bucks is what they call it. And then you exchange your swag bucks for either PayPal cash or a gift card. So the next way you can make money online, and this is probably the most cliche way and everyone knows this, to start a YouTube channel. I think all of us know by now that you can make money on YouTube. The different ways you can make money on YouTube are through Google AdSense, which are ads that are placed on your videos. And then you can also make money on YouTube through sponsorships. So when companies reach out to you to promote their product, you can charge them. You have a YouTube channel and you don't know how much to charge for sponsored posts. There's a site called Social Blue Book. You basically put in your social media and it'll like calculate how many views you get per video plus your following, and it will basically give you a chart on how much you should be charging for your services. And I find that to be pretty reliable. And you can still charge companies to make videos even if you don't have a huge following. So to piggyback off that, the third way that you can make money online is through affiliate links and affiliate marketing. And I think, you guys, this is my favorite way to make money online because this is by far, to me, the easiest way to make money online. It's crazy how much money you can make from this. Let's say you mention a product in your video. You can put the link in the description box. If anyone clicks on the link and they purchase the item, you get a percentage of their purchase. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a very small percentage, but it does add up. My favorite website for affiliate marketing is Amazon, just because Amazon literally has every single thing. But what I've noticed, and a lot of people don't realize, is a lot of companies have affiliate programs. Companies you wouldn't even think of. All major companies have affiliate programs. So if you mention a product on your social media, definitely look into it. Again, you do not have to have a huge following to do this. And this is a good way to make money on YouTube before you are monetized through Google AdSense, or if you're not getting sponsored posts. It's a way to take the sponsorship into your own hands. Okay, so the next way that you can make money online is through creating digital content and charging a fee for it. So there's a website called Fiverr.com. And basically the idea of Fiverr is like, hey bro, I'll give you $5 to do something for me. And it's basically a huge marketplace of creators and entrepreneurs and artists and people that have a skill, and then people that also need to fulfill a need. So some of the things that people do on Fiverr is they'll create audio for people, they'll do voiceovers, they'll create logos for different people, they may edit a video for someone, they could create any type of graphic arts or design. So really, it's a huge opportunity. If you have any experience with Adobe or editing or anything like that, you can create a page on Fiverr and start charging people for those types of services. They call it Fiverr because that's how the website was started, but you can charge however much you feel your work is worth. Okay, so the fifth way that you can make money online is through consulting. So I don't think people realize how huge of a market consulting is. When I say consulting, I basically mean if there's something that you're really experienced with or really good at, you take that knowledge and you basically have like a student, let's say me, let's say I feel like I'm experienced with YouTube, I know a lot about YouTube, and I want to consult people that want to start their YouTube channels. May seem crazy to you, but there's actually a huge market for it. Or let's say, you know, I'm really skilled at resume writing and interviewing and those techniques, and there's someone that's job seeking. I can kind of consult them throughout their job seeking process. So what consulting requires you to do is, one, be knowledgeable on a certain subject. It could be anything. You're going to need students, and then you're gonna have to have conversations with these students. So depending on how you want to structure your consulting, you could talk to your students every day. You could talk to them once a week or once a month. You can charge people for that. People will pay $100 a month. I know people who pay $500 a month to talk to someone who they believe is an expert or knowledgeable in a field. So the next way to make money online is actually pretty fun to me. Like, it's an interesting way to make money online. Reselling items on eBay. There are people that resell for a living, and a lot of the people who resell for a living, they go around to Goodwill, garage sales to try and find like hidden gems and then sell those items on eBay for a profit. A recommendation for anyone that's just trying to make a little extra cash, especially during this time, is to clean your house and, you know, find things that you're not using. And surprisingly enough, a lot of those items hold value on eBay. They say the average person has $2,000 to $5,000 worth of stuff in their house that they're not using that they could sell on eBay. Craziest thing to me is that people actually buy this stuff. So this is something that I've done before. I started by reselling, just cleaning my house, finding different items in my house that I was not using, like not selling my prized possession. But when you clean your house, a lot of times you donate stuff to Goodwill and you never even attempt to make a profit off of those items. I feel like everyone should clean their house and find some items that they can sell on eBay. Some items that I sold, just so you guys can get an idea, you can sell old electronics that you're not using. I've sold different clothing pieces that were gently worn or still had tags on them. I sold toys. I bought like some toys for my cousin for Christmas and he never ended up using them. So I sold those toys on eBay. I sold books on eBay. I've sold old board games. Literally anything that's just sitting in your closet, taking up space, first of all, you can literally flip and resell for a profit. So the next way to make money online is by selling your photos. If you are into photography, or even if you're not into photography and you've taken some cool photos, there are a ton of opportunities to sell pictures that you've taken in the past, or you can take pictures now with the hopes of reselling them. So there's a bunch of different websites where you can sell your photos. One is Shutterstock, Getty Images, iStock. These are all different websites that will pay you for photos. So I know right now there's a lot of cities that are like empty and stuff. If you could take photos of that and upload it to these websites, a lot of people log onto these websites and they will actually pay for these photos. Take some new photos, see if anyone's interested in using these photos as stock. And from my experience, people typically will purchase your photos if they're high quality and they look good. The eighth way that you can make money online is through tutoring. So this is for all my smart people out there. Hey y'all! There's two websites that you can go to sign up for tutoring. It's Chegg and it's called tutor.com. You can sign up on both of these sites and basically they just ask you, you know, what subjects you're good at, where you would be a fit. And you can literally log online and tutor kids virtually. So I think this is a huge opportunity, especially for my brainiacs, or even for like college students. If you're still in school, but you did really well in a course, you're strong in a different subject, it's a really, really great way to make money online. The ninth way that you can make money online is to start a podcast. Starting a podcast is kind of like starting a YouTube channel. It definitely takes work, passion, consistency, consistency. You have to build a following. Creating a podcast, you're actually eligible to get paid a lot more than you would if you were to create a YouTube channel. So for example, some podcast companies allow you to start monetizing your podcast from day one, whereas YouTube requires you to have a certain amount of subscribers and watch time before they even allow ads to play on your videos. Whereas podcasts, they'll let you start playing ads from day one. Also, based on the amount of views that you get on a podcast, you would get paid more than you would on YouTube. So definitely something to consider if you are in the creative space and you want to share your message. Definitely look into creating a podcast. The last way that you can make money online, and I saved this one for the end for a reason, just because people are very skeptical about this. It is Forex trading from your phone. Let me start by saying a lot of people think Forex trading is a scam, and I would need you guys to open your eyes and see this. So Forex trading in itself is not a scam. However, a lot of people do try and sell Forex courses, Forex clubs for a large amount of money. They want you to join this Forex club for $300 to start, and then you're paying $200 a month to have access to their course. That, to me, I haven't completely wrapped my mind around, and I don't know if I support that 100%. I think there are benefits to it, but to spend so much to get started kind of seems backwards to me. But with Forex, there's actually a ton of free information out there. There's free information on YouTube. There's information all over the internet on how to Forex trade. I've actually made money online through Forex. I know a lot of people who have, and you definitely can make a ton of money trading Forex. So definitely do not discount it. I'm definitely not that Forex person that's like, oh, I'm on vacation because of my Forex. Join my group, have your 300 ready. No, that's not me. I'm not telling you guys to join those groups. I'm telling you to not let those groups scare you from getting your own information and learning how lucrative Forex can be. All right, guys, so those are my 10 tips on how you can make money online. Like I said, a lot of the tips are not get rich quick schemes. All of them take hard work and dedication, but they are definitely ways that you can supplement your income and make money online, especially if you have some extra time on your hands. Let me know in the comments how you guys make money online. What are your favorite ways to make money? Let me know if you've tried any of the methods that I use in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.